We're heading towards the end of the year 2020, but still, traveling abroad seems extremely difficult during these times of crisis. So then, what brings you back past memories of your trips to neighboring countries? To quench your thirst, the Korea Herald found out the ASEAN Culture and Tourism Pavilion right here at the heart of Seoul City, Ulchiro. We're here at the bookstore called Ark & Books, so let's go find out the hidden gems.
그래서 김준수 가수님의 팬이라서 인스타도 보고 SNS를 많이 접하게 돼서 알게 돼서 왔고요. 아세안 국가 한 3, 4개 정도밖에 몰랐는데 여기 와서 이렇게 전시돼 있는 거 보고 그래도 좀 더 알아가는 시간이 되었던 것 같아요.
Due to coronavirus, many Korean people can't go ASEAN and they are missing the warmth of Southeast Asia. So the ASEAN Korea Center brought ASEAN here at the ASEAN Culture and Tourism Pavilion so that many Korean people can visit here and experience ASEAN through color, scent, and sound of ASEAN.